Hello, I'm Susanna McKay from the Maptek Newcastle office. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create and save orthogonal and non-orthogonal section definitions. To create your saved sections, click on the Auto button at the bottom right-hand corner of the Create Section panel. This is where you can select your predefined sections. We don't have any yet, so we will need to click on the Definition Section button down the bottom right. First of all, we need to define a specification file and an identifier. Down the bottom of this panel, you can choose to autofill the table according to your section preferences. In the drop-down box here, you will see that I can easily generate sections in the X, Y, or Z planes, or I can screen pick points on my screen to generate non-orthogonal sections. First, I'll create some sections in the Y plane, and I'll fill in the starting coordinate, and then the end coordinate of where I want my section lines to stop generating. And then I can define the number of meters that I want between each section line. Now when I click Append, you'll see that the table is filled in with a section defined every 100 meters from my starting coordinate. I can now create another section definition. And this time it will be non-orthogonal, and I'll select the plane by points. In this instance, the end is referring to the number of section lines that you want, and the step still refers to the distance between each section line to be generated. Make sure your Z value cuts through the center of your data, and then using 2 points, define your section plane. Now I have 2 different section definitions to use, which I can access by clicking on the Auto button. Select your spec file and then select your section identifier. From the list of planes, select which plane you want to view and click OK. When you're in section view, you can step forwards or backwards through your defined section within that identifier by clicking the forward and backward buttons in the slice toolbar. You can also view the plane names and select your planes using the drop-down box. I hope you find this short video helpful. Please feel free to contact your nearest Maptek office if you have any questions.